Can you feel it? The rings of life pulsing through your veins, the whispers of existence that cannot be explained. How did I get here? Was it by chance? Did I have a mission, a destination, or is it just circumstance? Was it a choice I was given, or was it a mistake? Did I make this decision? Was it equal give and take? No matter how you see it, at the point from where you stand, the rings of life surround you with the touch of God's hand. Breathe in the air, fill your lungs. Today is a gift. It cannot be undone.